My name is Jack Quinney and I have won the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol award. I chose the work-based learning route because I wanted to earn money while gaining qualifications. I completed my apprenticeship with Sage Kitchen in Menai Bridge and currently I'm working in the Sheeps and Leeks in Caernarfon. It's important for me to use Welsh in my workplace as we do have a lot of Welsh customers coming in, and part of my job is explaining dishes to people. So to be able to greet people and explain ingredients in Welsh is a very powerful tool in making them feel comfortable and at ease. Being an ambassador for the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol is a really good opportunity. It helps promote the Welsh language, which is really important in keeping our language alive. Other than my qualification, I've gained many skills that will see me through my career as a professional chef, such as time management, knife skills, ordering food, things like that. I have decided to go on to the next level of apprenticeships, as not a lot of chefs in the current climate have a level 3 apprenticeship, so it's just another arrow in the quiver for finding jobs and progressing my career. The advice I would give to somebody thinking about starting an apprenticeship is definitely go for it. Earning money while you are earning experiences and building key skills that you can use for the whole of your professional career is just so important.